When is your next album coming out?
Hello, and welcome to How To with Malmer16. When you were a child, did you ever experience the frustration of having your Nintendo DS headphones break on you? Oh, well then, do I have the solution for you. Today I will be showing you a short tutorial on how to fix them. Step 1, you have to make sure you remove the twist tie. It's a very important part of the procedure. Okay, so you gotta hold it out and hold each earbud separately, okay? And you're gonna wanna start pulling it. There we go. Okay, now you need any sort of kitchen knife, and you're going to want to make 2 small incisions. See, basic. Oh man, this is higher quality than I remember. You're going to want to cut right in there. Oh, that one worked perfectly. As you can see, these are no longer a problem. Then, you're going to want to put this here and make another small incision. This time, don't open it all the way. So now you are going to need some JA Henkels High Quality International Stainless Steel Scissors. Then you're going to want to follow the incision line perfectly, okay, or else it won't work. So you just... As you can see, it appears the wire has been frayed. Simple solution. If you put the earpieces here and grab a high quality mallet of any brand, you can fix the problem. As you can see, there was a wire malfunction. No shock at all. Okay, the second one, you have to do it with the flat side because it is a lot more sensitive. And then, just spike it up. So right here, we have the control panel. This is a little button on it that, I don't know what it does. I guess it controls the volume. And as you can see, the button is stuck. Easy solution. Make another very fine incision. As you can see, I'm very careful while doing this procedure. Okay, then you're going to want to get the spiky side, not the flat side this time, and just pound the living fuck out of it. Come on. Perfect, the button popped out. Well, there you have it, kids. Comment in the comment section where you normally comment comments about any other how-to videos you may suggest me doing, and I might do them. Have a good day.